Alright guys, RedPandaMining here, back at my mining location. Let's shut down some rigs. Alright guys, I got all my rigs off and I moved them into a special location. I'll bring you there. Showing you guys, I shut off this area. And here they all are. I just have the 4 main rigs here. If, in case you guys are wondering, this rig here, it has a 650 watt power supply. And basically I'm just able to run only one video card on this rig. I was using it as a test rig, but mainly I was using it to remote in, so that I could remote desktop to these 4 machines or do whatever. So, look at that, they're all off. So beautiful, so sad. But, alright, continuing. A lot of work to do left. Alright, next up, I think I'm gonna move all the boxes onto the box wall here. But I'm eventually gonna move the box wall, but I need to do that in order to get this wire rack stuff out of here. And then work on the receiver stuff, and then the TV stand. Oh look, a PS3 on a HD DVD player. Oh my god. You guys like how I do my networking here? I have all my networking cables going into this little TP-Link power over Ethernet adapter. And yeah. I thought I'd show you guys this. It's pretty funny how I have it set up. And you guys see the 120 power plug over there, using the power of one of the rigs. Oh, alright guys. Can you guys guess how many mining rigs I have in total? I got a lot of boxes. I got a lot of GTX 1060 cards, especially the Zotac ones. But here's my wall for now. I have it in a room, just temporary, until I can clean out the other area, the main area. So yeah. Oh man, I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. And then over here, I got my rigs over here, like I showed you guys earlier. Whew. Hi, Fishy. Hi, Fishy, Fishy, Fishy. Rah! Fishy! Look at this guy. You guys enjoy him? I enjoy him too. I'm gonna keep him. I'm gonna hang him on the wall. Oh yeah, so guys, here's the PDU I was talking about yesterday. So, I'm gonna take out these things here. This is the 30 amp trip light PDU. I got it on sale, or on clearance actually, for 120 bucks Canadian. I think original price is like 300 bucks. But let's see here. Yeah, it's really cool. It's got dual 15 amp breakers. So each side I can have 15 amp. It's, yeah, dual bank PDU. Okay, how'd you look at that? Here's the L6 30 plug. This is the 240 volt. And yeah, that should be good. This is a beast. This is a beast PDU. I think I believe it was the Technicals or Bitsby Trippin that also had a similar PDU. But this is a metered one, so I can see how much amperage is being used. So you see second bank amps, and then this is the second bank, so I can plug into any of these. And then the first bank here, amps, and then I can plug into any of these ports here, which is the second 15 amp. So it's really cool. I'll be able to see how much amps I'm using. And yeah, that should be pretty good. Alright guys, gonna continue on removing all this. Got the little table out. Got all my boxes out you guys saw earlier. Alright, next up is this stuff. And I've been slowly doing the rest of this stuff, but it's all gonna be... I got a lot of room. I got a lot of room here. I could probably potentially put, you know, a few racks of mining rigs in here, but I'm probably not gonna do that. So let's keep going, guys. Let's keep going. I'm pretty tired. I don't think I'm gonna get the shelves in today. I gotta go to Costco and find them. Whew. And then tomorrow I got my electrician buddy coming tomorrow to do that thing, to hook up the 240 volt, and yeah, so I can plug in this triplet PDU. All right, Fishy. I gotta move you. All right, I gotta move you. Don't be mad, okay? No? Yeah? Okay, let's move you. I moved the Phil Fishy in here for now. Yeah, hope you like it here. Hey, does any of you guys remember HD DVD? Remember the whole thing, Blu-ray versus HD DVD and then Blu-ray 1? This was a bad idea. Oh, what's that? Oh my god! Sega Genesis Altered Beast. Do you guys remember this? Man, this brings me back.
Rise from your grave. Welcome to your doom.
This brings me back. Maybe some of you guys as well. Oh, the game's still in here. Oh, man. Sick. You guys remember this? Altered Beast, Sega Genesis, where you had to like blow in to make sure it works sometimes. Oh man, that was great. That was the good old days. Man, I'm gonna keep this. This is legendary. Okay guys, I got most of it all moved out. I vacuumed a bit, but I'm gonna wipe the floor as well, clean it all up, and yeah, so what's next? So I think the next part is getting these couches out of here, and I still got some more stuff back there I gotta move out, and yeah, so let's do that and we'll see what's next. Man, just looking at this, at my video card box wall, hardware parts box wall, just amazes me how much I've bought in over the years. But I know that there's a lot of other people out there that have bought in way more than I have. I'm just a hobbyist. I'm just a hobby home miner. So yeah, take that as you will, guys. This is something I enjoy as a passion. Paying the electricity out of my pocket for now, while I still can. But yeah, let's keep mining. Alright guys, had to move the couches to wipe the floor. The floor is looking a lot better, as you can see. Alright, so I think I'm done for the day. Pretty tired. Yeah, gonna move the couches back. Gonna move the couches back further back there. And I still have a pile of stuff over there, as you can see. But I pretty much cleaned the whole floor already. Ready for my electrician friend tomorrow to come in to install a 240 for my PDU, triplet PDU. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, I could put a bunch of mining rigs and a bunch of shelves in here. Oh well, just the dream. Alright guys, have a good one. See you tomorrow.